Welcome.
Welcome.
Hi, welcome to Snap Real Estate Photography. I'm Daryl. This is Chris, and we're really excited about our new business. And along with our awesome photographers, we are Snap Real Estate Photography. And in fact, we're so excited. Chris wanted to tell his family and friends back at home how excited he is about his new company. And here's his son, Dimitri. And what Chris is going to do is speak in Danish, and then I'm going to translate for him, and so you can find out what he says. So take it away, Chris.
Hej, jeg blev præsenteret lige før som Chris. Vi kender mig også som Bjarne. Vi fotograferer her i Snap, og vi laver floorplans.
Chris says that he is not only excited about Snap, but he also wants to make sure that everybody knows that we do great photographs and also we offer floor plans.
Så den her video, den er egentlig ikke særlig informationsgivende, men når Daryl handler om det, han oversætter, jamen så kommer han til at sige noget helt andet end det, jeg siger lige nu, og det kan selvfølgelig ses på Facebook lige med det samme. Så det er meget spændende at høre, om der er nogen, der kommer noget rabat på den her.
Chris says you should like us on Facebook.
Sørg for, at du går til vores hjemmeside lige for at kigge på vores slideshow.
Chris also says that you're going to love our new website that's coming out in a few months, where you'll be able to manage your photos, create flyers, and even pay for the products online. So look for that really soon. And he also says that you really should check out the Snap Slideshow, and that is a new product that combines video, high-end mapping, and photography all into one. Got to check it out. That's what Chris says, at least.